Alright, amigos and amigas, los vatos locos, welcome back to my channel. This is John's Moto Garage. I'm John, and I still got the Victory here. If you haven't checked out the last video, I'll leave a link in the description below. This is a 2014 Victory Hammer, 106 cubic inch. Picked it up over the weekend, and I documented all of that, so you guys will have to go check it out. And I also documented unloading the bike and washing it. But I've yet to do a ride on the Victory and my first impression. So that's what we're going to do today. Go ahead and roll it out of the garage. Pick the perfect time of day. It's in the middle of the beautiful Tuesday afternoon. It's probably about 152 degrees outside, but you guys, it's a dry heat, so it's not that bad. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let the bike warm up a little bit since it's wicked cold here in Arizona. But again, welcome to my channel, John's Moto Garage. This is where we buy and sell motorcycles, or as some would say, flip them. I've got the 2012 Dyna Switchback chilling in the garage. You can check out my video on that one as well. Alright, let's get this show on the road, my friends. Let's roll. Alright, I'm going to jump right into it. So, this is a 2014 Victory Hammer 8-ball, blacked out. This thing's got just barely over 2,200 miles, so she's barely broken in. I got it from the original owner's son. Kind of a sad story, I won't go into all that, but basically one owner bike, and the original owner had dropped it pulling out of his driveway, or so the story goes. So she does have some blemishes on the left hand side. Tank was unscathed. I don't typically mess with bikes if the tanks have been damaged. If you got like big dents or scrapes, that tends to turn people away. But most people will look past a scuff on the bar end, or even on the headlight, or a little scuff on the clutch lever or rear view mirror. People can see past that kind of thing. Most people don't even care about it. And this bike was originally posted for $5,800. I actually found it on OfferUp. Hopefully I fixed the audio issue with the wind, because it was just horrendous in that last video, but I don't know, I'm kind of worried. Anyway, what was I saying? I found this on OfferUp. He had listed it for $5,800 or best offer. And I sold one of these recently, a Victory Vegas 8-ball with very similar miles, similar condition. And that one, I took $5,300 for it. I probably could have gotten more, but I sold it real fast. Anyway, so I came in offering this guy $4,700, sight unseen, knowing that there were going to be those cosmetic blemishes, and he didn't have really good pictures of it. We went back and forth for a while, and it was like a month going back and forth before he even had the title, and before it was even possible to do the deal. Geez, it is wicked windy, so this will be the true test to see if what I did works or not. Trying to eliminate that dang wind, man. Freaking wind, bro. But yeah, so long story short, I got the bike for $4,700. Check out my last video. You see there were a few snags along the way, but where there's a will, there's a way, man. And there was definitely a will with this motorcycle, so it worked out. These are a 6-speed, fuel-injected, 106 cubic inch bike. They got the belt drive, inverted front forks, and it has an engine on it. And 2 rear view mirrors. Forward controls with foot pegs. Pretty quick, a lot of get up and go and torque. I think I hit 92, 93 there. That's a private closed course, just so you guys know. All right, just for the record. These have a very clunky transmission, clunky gearbox, but that's how they all are. Now I'll go this way. First time I bought one, I jumped online and did some research on the forums because I took it for a ride and I was like, dude, this transmission is like wicked loud, you know? So I wanted to make sure it wasn't an issue with the motorcycle. And that's something you can do. I mean, you know, with every bike, tons of people have jumped on the forums, so just about anything. If it's an issue with the bike, you'll find it online. So do your research ahead of time, or if you just aren't sure about something, take the extra 5 to 10 minutes to look it up. Make sure it's not some major issue. If it is just, you know, a quirk about the specific motorcycle, then that's much better than finding out that it needs a new transmission because it's got some major recall, you know what I mean? This has drag bars. It's a pretty comfortable feel, but I don't think this is the type of bike that you're going to be hopping on and, you know, spending 2-3 hours on a road trip. This is more for zipping around town, impressing the ladies or the dudes, if that's how you swing. No judgment here. And yeah, it's more of your cruiser, you know. But no doubt you're not going to have any problem keeping up with traffic and pulling away ahead of traffic when the time comes, when you're in hot pursuit, you know. This bike will definitely handle it. It does have a 2-up seat. It's got the little seat cowl that hides that passenger seat. So this will work if you're trying to pick up like the girlfriend, you know. She ain't gonna be comfortable though, that's for sure. That's for dang sure. But these are very fun bikes, very comparable to your Yamaha Roadstar Warrior, which they no longer make. Right there in the wheelhouse with your Honda Fury, your Yamaha Striker, Yamaha Raider, all your other Victory bikes, Harley V-Rod, but they call this one the Harley Killer. So that's how she rolls. This has some cool features. You've got your gear indicator, you've got your trip meters, you've got your clock, and I don't think it has a tach. Oh no, it does. Cool, man. Very cool, bro stuff. So we're rolling at 2,000 RPMs. I never break 2,500 RPMs ever, you guys. Never, ever, ever. All my stuff is very well babied. Very well babied. Driving through a school zone, you always gotta be respectful and courteous and just take it easy. My kids are home sick today, otherwise I'd probably be riding my little bicycle over to the schoolyard to pick them up. Looks like you can vote at the school. Apparently people are running for city council or something like that. Let me know, you guys, what you think, if I should run for city council. Leave a comment below. Let me know what my campaign slogan should be. All that good stuff. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that bird that just flew right across us? Freaking birds, man. I'm telling you, dude, it's Arizona. It just must run in the water. They don't care about. The birds don't care about bikers. The drivers don't care about bikers. The trees don't care about bikers. You hit monsoon season, man, those trees don't give a rat's. who you are. If they want to fall down on the street, they're going to fall down on the street. And those are just some of the adversities that we deal with here in Arizona as motorcycle riders. And like I've said before, man, either you can hang or you can't. You gotta have some real thick skin to hang in this industry. It's not for the faint of heart. Let's do the stand-up test with these floorboards, or forward controls. Alright, man, stand-up test, definitely not as easy to stand up on this thing as the Harley Davidson Switchback. So if you're looking for a bike that you can like stand up on it while you're riding, sorry guys, you gotta do something different, man. The Victory ain't gonna cut it. Listen to that engine purr, man, like a kitten. Alright, bromanos, bromicos, I'm gonna dip out. We're gonna roll back to the garage, get hydrated, and freshen up a little bit, because that's what we do. As always, if you're digging the content, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see. And with that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys hanging. Hasta la next time. Nos vemos.